Jai Hind children. Again in our today's class, we will do the revision of your English chapters along with the grammar and your section A. In our previous class, we had discussed the syllabus of the half yearly and had just discussed section B. 4 questions only we could discuss in the form of quiz. Today again, in the form of quiz, we will be just doing the revision of the chapters of your half yearly. Okay. Today, I have included the writing section, the reading section and your literature section also. Just start our class. Be ready children to test your knowledge, how much you have prepared and how much more you have to prepare. Okay, let's start our class. Welcome children, I welcome you all once again in today's class, and this is our English quiz, section A, B and C. Section B, in section B, this writing section we had done in our previous class. So today I have not taken the question of writing section. We have limited time children, and that's why I have taken the question of grammar, reading comprehension and literature. Okay. See, this is your first one question. As soon as your time starts, you have to start giving your answer. Find out the correct sentence among the following, and here your time starts. Choose the correct option. Type your answer children. Immediately, time is going on. Hurry up children. Yes, you have to type your answers only. A, B, C or D. No need to write the full answer. Red circle children, hurry up. 3, 2, it's 1 and now that is 0, time's up. Okay, your time is up children. This is your correct answer. As soon as the correct answer is there on the screen, if you are giving your answer will be invalid children. Okay, so this is the correct answer. The correct sentence is Ashish and Avinash are playing chess. Here B1 is incorrect because this plays. No, this is a simple present tense and we use S or ES only with the singular subject. But what is here? Ashish and Avinash. The subject is plural and that's why this is incorrect. In the same way, again, has also is used with the singular subject and was is also used with the singular subject. It was an easy one. And I hope you all have done correctly. Yes, good children. Now let's proceed to our next one question. Ready? Okay. Children, we had completed our 4 question earlier. Okay. That's why I have started here from question number 5. This is the second part of our revision. And you know that I do the revision in the form of quiz so that you may enjoy also, you may learn also. That is the best way to learn. See the sixth one question. You have to choose the 4 option and here I am starting the time. Out of 4, choose any one option. These all are your helping verb. Okay. Which helping verb is correct? Write down. Yes, keep on writing. Hurry up children. As soon as the red circle comes, that is the warning for you. Green is going on. After that yellow. Yes, yellow has come. Very good children. Very good those who have given the answer. Now the red circle. Be alert. It's 2. It's 1. And it is 0. Your time is over. See the correct one answer. And has been will be correct one. Why? You all know that has been helping verb is used with your present perfect continuous tense. And that's why, okay, how do you identify present perfect continuous tense? See, in this sentence, you can identify easily because of this for. Whenever for or since is used there for time, okay, for 3 days, or since Monday. So since or for, if it is used there, it means it is your perfect continuous tense. It may be past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, or present perfect continuous tense. But here you are getting the option of present perfect, has been. Clear? And that's why here your has been is the correct one answer. That is very easy to identify. As soon as you see since or for, you should immediately understand that this is your perfect continuous tense, and you can easily choose your correct answer out of the 4 Okay, just next one question. Okay, see the 7th one. The policeman in the light of the match saw the face of. Out of 4 options, choose any one. I have started the time, children. Choose any one option. Any one option, children. Go through it. Go back to the previous class. Just think about the chapter and give your answer. Your time is going on. It is running fast, children. It is your red circle 4. It's 3, 2. It is 1, and last one is your 0. Okay. See the correct one answer now. Yes. Both A and B. Your D option is correct, children. Very good, those who have given the correct answer, children. The policeman in the light of the match saw the face of. The policeman saw the face of. Of course, he saw the face of Bob, but Bob was a wanted criminal also. And that's why both the options A and B, both the options are correct. Because Bob was a wanted criminal. Bob was the friend also of policeman. So he saw the face of a wanted criminal, his friend Bob. Both A and B are your correct one answer. Let's proceed. See the next one question. Bob used to travel under an alias, which is, yes, give your answer. Time has started. I'm waiting for your answer, children. Your time is going on. Keep on typing. Very good, children. Keep on typing your answer. Keep on typing. Still you have time. Do it fast. Those who are still thinking, it's red circle now. It's giving you warning. Your time is about to over, children. Yes, and it is over. And it will show you the correct answer. The correct answer is Silky Bob. It is C1. Bob used to travel under an alias. Alias, you know, while giving you the explanation of the chapter, I had given you the meaning. Means false name. And especially this word, alias, is used for criminals. Okay. This alias, especially this word, is used for criminals. If you think, or if I think that I can use this word, so that will be inappropriate use, because alias name is used for the criminals especially. There are other synonyms just like fake name, false name, and pseudonym. Okay, but alias word, these whatever I have given you, these all are the same meaning. These all are the synonym. But especially this alias word is used for the criminal, and Silky Bob was a criminal, and that's why he used to travel under this name, Silky Bob name. Clear? Now children, this is the revision of your section A. Here the full passage is given there, and after going through the passage you have to choose the correct one option for your first one question. And here I have not set any time, no tick-tock clock, nothing. Okay, so you just choose the option immediately because we have a limited time. Okay, go through the passage first. I am giving you the time to go through the passage. Take your time, go through the passage. I am waiting, children, go through it. This I will try to share in your school app also. Already I have shared, children. Yes, in reading comprehension already another passage has been shared, but here I am showing you so that you may practice it well in the same way you are about to get in your half yearly exam. And you have to go through on your screen only. Yes, and you have to choose the correct option. So it is just like a sample paper. This full class I have prepared just like a sample paper, and you will easily understand in what way you are about to get the questions in your half yearly exams. Okay, what has Metro Rail given to Delhi's the people those who are living in Delhi? What has Metro Rail given? So you may easily get the answer. It has given them freedom. See, the correct answer is freedom from discomfort of road traveling. Good, those who have given this answer. Now I will see, this is the second question. I am showing you question number 2. The same passage, but question number 2. In your half yearly also, again and again you will get the passage for all the 5 questions. There will be 5 questions of 5 marks. Take out the correct answer. Just choose the correct one option for the second one question. Who has given Delhi the look of a modern city? Try to take out and type your answer. As soon as you get the answer, type it. Okay. Okay, children. Now I am about to show you the answer. Who has given Delhi the look of a modern city? Who has given? Have you got the answer? See, your answer is here. Metro is a giant step in giving Delhi the look of a modern city. And your answer is yes. It is your metro. So children, this is your correct answer. Okay. Now we are moving ahead to our third one question. See the same passage, but the question is third question. How do people treat senior citizens in a metro? You will get in the same passage the answer. Go through it, you will get. It's not so tough. Okay, let's see our answer. Let's check our answer, children. See, offer them a seat. Have you got your answer? Yes. Here, if you are a senior citizen, invariably you are offered a seat by a middle-aged person. This is your answer of third one. In the same way, who are expected to keep this metro rail clean and comfortable? Who are expected? Try to find out the answer and type A, B, C or D. Okay, okay. I will show you the answer, children, because we have limited time. Okay. See, this is your correct one option, D1. Okay. It is up to Del T's to keep this beautiful service clean and comfortable. And this is the line in which you are getting the answer of this fourth one question. Now we are moving ahead to the last one question, that is fifth one. Which word in the passage means the same as free from doubt or confusion? Four options are here. You can choose any one appropriate children. Okay, very good. Those who are giving the answer. Yes, correct. Correct, children. Let's tell you our answer. That is C1, undoubtedly. Okay. Children, in this way, in your half yearly, you will get an unseen passage and the 5 questions will be there. Okay, of 5 marks. So, you have understood? Yes, you have to go through the passage. See, still there is time. So, again I will show you another question of your literature. See, here I have added the TikTok clock. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, and the waves are our comrades all. Which figure of speech has been used in the given line? 4 options. And your time starts. Very good, children. It's your red mark. Okay, red alert. Okay, 1 and your 0. Time up. The correct one answer is your personification. And this I had given you during my class. Which chapter is this? Which chapter is this? The sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. Yes, this is our Sarojini Naidu's poem. Correct, children. And here, the non-living thing has been presented as living thing, and that's why personification, figure of speech is there. Personification, whenever we just present the non-living thing as living thing. Cloud is non-living thing, but cloud is our brother. We are taking it as the living thing. Okay. Waves, again the non-living thing, that has been presented as living thing, because the poet is telling that waves are our comrades. Comrades means companion. Okay. And that's why in this question, the correct answer will be personification. See, this is your, I think this is the last question. Okay. What do the fishermen find sweet and appealing after a tiring day? Start giving your answer. A, B, C or D? We have gone through the chapter. Yes, try to recall and give the correct one option. Yes, type the correct one option. Hurry up, the time is about over. Very good, keep it up, children, very good. Well done, your time is over. And see your correct answer. This is the correct one, D1. Now, the fishermen, they find sweet and appealing after a tiring day these all things: shade of the coconut glade, scent of the mango grove, sands at the full moon. These all are sweet. These all are just appealing for the fisherman. Okay, all of the above. Okay, children. Now, see, in your half yearly exam, okay, one more question is there. I thought it is the last one. Okay, in the context of the poem, Invictus, night in the poet's life is a symbol of. Immediately give your answer. This you know very well. Yes. Make it fast. Make it fast. Very good. Well done. And this is your last one, 0. And your correct answer is, I know many of you have given correct. Yes, misery and gloom. Okay. Children, we will be getting the question in the same way in our half yearly exams. Okay. And this was just a practice. It is just a practice paper for you. It is just a sample paper for you to make you understand that there will be limited time and you have to choose the correct option for all the questions which will be there. Now listen, in tomorrow's class, what I have just prepared, I have just compiled all the writing sections together in a single video for your convenience, because in your examination, in your half yearly examination, whatever the questions will be there for your writing section, the formats will be asked. Okay, so you cannot write, children, but you have to choose the correct option. So I have just uh, made a compiled video, collected my old videos also and compiled it, so that easily you can go through the formats of all the writing sections which are coming in your half yearlies. Okay, for your convenience only, I have just made that compiled, I have compiled that video. Children, in tomorrow's class, I have added that class also, which we were just before summer vacation we were doing our classes. So just use your earphone when you are attending tomorrow's class, because that time we were not making the class in this way. Okay, and I hope that you all have understood the pattern of the question paper for your half yearly. Now on your part, you have to work hard, you have to prepare well for your half yearlies, and in your mock test, already you have given your mock test. So in your mock test, I hope that you have just come to know how much you have prepared, where we stand, and how much more we have to prepare. Accordingly, children, prepare and do best in your half yearlies. Thank you, children. Goodbye. Take care and just prepare well for your upcoming examinations. All the best, children. Bye bye.